Hello. This was the task given to me. Need to create a contact form in the WordPress site, and to make all the details we fill up in the Zoho CRM. When the form will be submitted, we need to create leads in the Zoho CRM. So just I explain it. What was the task? Here is the contact form I have made. Okay. So all the information from the contact form, first and second step, would be submitted into the leads module. So and the lead source would be the website, and all other information would be sent. So just I'm filling the form. Okay, convenience is BBC. Send a message. So just I'm submitting the form. As you know, the leads module was empty. So just I'm deleting the form. Whether check it. Thank you for submitting the message. It has been sent. Just checking it whether the lead module has been sent with the lead sources. With the lead sources website. Okay. Now, the very next step is need to create a button. So for the for linking the web application, I have used a Zoho Zoho feed form plugin, where I am mapping all the fields with the selected fields. Means all the fields of the lead module would be mapping to the Zoho CRM. All the WordPress form reads would be sent to the Zoho CRM. So mandatory, mainly main fields on which I have got all the required details I have submitted and connected that form with the leads module of the CRM. Secondly, the second the third point was that we need to create a button to send the email welcome. About to welcome email, we need to use the templates. So for the button module, I've just gone to the lead module, and here I have created a button called lead email. So just I am showing the code what is implemented on that particular button. Here is the button. So I'm just clicking on it and edit it, and then I'm sending mail. Yes, here's the edit function. So in that particular mail, I've implemented a sample template email just to send the email into particular email ID. So here's the code part. So just we can check it whether particular email has been sent to the respective email ID to narshid.city at the lead module we have sent. Here's as you can see, so just I'm sending, and then clicking on that particular button, the function will execute it. I'm just checking whether the mail has been sent to me or not. So the message has been sent to me, uh, and then the founder of this is the sample template email they sent to me. Okay, so let's move on. Like once the lead stage would be sent for the verification, then approval process needs to be implemented to approve the admin. If the admin approve the lead, the lead would be converted into the deals, and if it would be rejected, then it would be unapproved. So approval process we need to implement, and if the deal stage is won, then need to email with the contact details and need to create a contact with it. So just I'm explaining what was the task. So just I'm going to the approval process first. So we need to implement the approval process. So here I am selecting the approval process. This one was the approval process which is implemented. So in the leads module, in particular module leads, okay, if the status is in progress, okay, then we have to perform certain action. Let the admin would approve the lead, and if any action has been approval to be sent, then convert the particular lead, and then we need to implement. We need to approve the task. So for that particular thing, I have just implemented two type of function. One is after the approval, and second one is after the rejection. So in particular case, if if the lead is converted, suppose there it was the lead module, okay, and we get all the leads records on the basis of ID, and this function zoho.crm, the convert lead, will convert all the lead detail into the deals detail. So upon approval, on approval, we need to convert the lead, and apart from them, if the stage is closed won, the sixth condition, okay, if the approve, then we need to convert, and sixth is if the stage is closed won, then we need to send an email with the contact details, and we need to create a note record with the title and the description given to us. So if the stage is closed won, we have sending an email to the contact person, as well as in the contacts module, we need to create a contact note record also, that the deal description has been sent. So in that particular case, just I'm send just implementing how the approval process has been sent. First we check on the approval on actions which were performed on approval, then we will implement on rejection. Okay, so just we went to leads module again and just send edit it, and in I just sent the approval process to be in progress. So our lead record module will be logged. Okay, then I just go to my tabs, my jobs tabs. Okay, in that particular case, one approval has been sent to me. Okay, now if somebody approves it, okay, so we just check on the approval. So I'm just clicking on the approval, okay, and then approve it. Approval has been sent. So we just approve it. So now on approval, the leads would be empty, and the mail has been sent, and the leads would be converted into the deals. Okay, and then here's the mail record. It was the mail, the latest mail sent box. Okay, this was the latest email sent to me about all the particular details. And in the contact, particular note record with the email ID hashit@gmail.com. This one is the description, and this one is the says that it has been closed on, and the name and email, the particular deal name. The deal name was name and the email ID and the closed one, and the particular description that amount is 100 rupees. Okay, this was all about the approval which has been approved. Now, if it has been rejected, so we just create another scenario. In that particular case, I just send email ID first. Send. Okay, the record has been created. Okay, this time again edited, and the stage would be in progress. Okay, so this time uh, sending what was the full process has been sent. So I'm just going to the approval process. In that particular approval process, after rejection method, here, so here was the task that once the lead is unapproved, then we need to create a task and the lead name and the unapproved. So we have just created as a subject as unapproved, and created a task with the leads. And in particular leads, we need to create a task. So we have just create a task, save it, done it. Okay, save it. Okay, approval has been saved. This time checking. Yeah, now the approval has been sent. So this time going to my job section again. Approval has been sent already. Okay, approval has been sent as the rule set was in progress. So I'm just rejecting the application. Okay, so I've just rejected the application. rejected the lead, then you can say particular unapproved has been sent at particular name. The record has been rejected, and you can see the associated task with it. Okay, so in the activity, it was a task created. So we just again check the approval process and what are the condition has been applied. So we have updated the field values and approved, and the call function would be uh, defined. So this was all about the rejection process. Okay, thank you.